Many people believe that carbs are bad for you. They often think that consuming carbohydrates will lead to weight gain and other health issues. This belief has led to a widespread fear of foods like bread, pasta, and even fruits. But is this fear justified? Are carbs really the enemy of a healthy diet? In this chapter we will delve into the science behind carbohydrates and uncover the truth. They think carbs will make you gain weight. This misconception is fueled by diet trends and misinformation. Many people associate carbs with unhealthy foods like donuts and sugary snacks. However, not all carbs are created equal. There are simple carbs, which are found in processed and sugary foods, and complex carbs, which are found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes. Understanding the difference between these types of carbs is crucial for making informed dietary choices. This is a common misconception. Carbohydrates are an important part of a healthy diet. They provide the body with essential energy needed for daily activities and exercise. Complex carbs in particular are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. When consumed in the right amounts and from the right sources, carbs can actually aid in weight management and improve metabolic health. This essay will explain why. We will explore the truth about carbs and weight loss. By examining scientific studies and expert opinions, we will debunk common myths and provide practical tips for incorporating healthy carbs into your diet. You will learn how to distinguish between good and bad carbs and how to balance your meals for optimal health. You will learn how to make smart choices about carbs. For instance, opting for whole grain products over refined grains can make a significant difference in your health. Whole grains retain their natural nutrients and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Reading nutrition labels can also help you identify hidden sugars and unhealthy additives in processed foods. It's time to ditch the fear of carbs. Let's understand how they can actually help you achieve your weight loss goals. Carbs, when chosen wisely, can be a powerful tool in your health and fitness journey. They can provide sustained energy for workouts, support muscle recovery, and even enhance mood and cognitive function. By embracing the right kinds of carbs, you can enjoy a varied and satisfying diet without compromising your health. Get ready to discover the power of carbohydrates. In the following sections, we will guide you through practical steps to incorporate healthy carbs into your daily routine. From meal planning tips to delicious recipes, you'll find everything you need to make carbs a beneficial part of your diet. So, let's embark on this journey to better understand and appreciate the role of carbohydrates in our lives. Chapter 1. Fuel for your body. Carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients in our food. They are essential for providing the energy that our bodies need to perform daily activities. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, carbohydrates play a crucial role in keeping us energized and active. They are found in a wide variety of foods, including grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Understanding the importance of carbohydrates can help us make better dietary choices and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The other two are protein and fat. Proteins are the building blocks of our muscles, tissues, and organs. They are vital for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Fats, on the other hand, are essential for absorbing vitamins, protecting our organs, and providing long-term energy storage. Both proteins and fats are crucial for our overall health and well-being. A balanced diet that includes all three macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, ensures that our bodies function optimally. Our bodies need all three to function properly. Each macronutrient plays a unique and indispensable role in our health. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, proteins support muscle and tissue health, and fats offer sustained energy and support cell function. By consuming a balanced diet, we can ensure that we are getting the right amounts of each macronutrient to support our daily activities and long-term health goals. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy. When we consume carbohydrate-rich foods, our bodies break them down into simple sugars, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream. This process provides a quick and efficient source of energy that fuels our muscles and brain. Whether we are engaging in physical activities like running, cycling, or hiking, or simply going about our daily routines, carbohydrates are essential for keeping us energized and focused. Think of carbohydrates as fuel for your car. Just as a car needs gasoline to run, our bodies need carbohydrates to function. Without adequate carbohydrate intake, we may feel tired, sluggish, and unable to perform at our best. By ensuring that we consume enough carbohydrates, we can keep our energy levels high and maintain our overall health and well-being. Just like your car needs gasoline to run, your body needs carbohydrates to work. When we eat foods like pasta, bread, or fruits, our bodies convert these carbohydrates into glucose, which is then used to power our muscles and brain. This process is essential for maintaining our energy levels and supporting our physical and mental activities throughout the day. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose. This process begins in the digestive system, where enzymes break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. These simple sugars are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to cells throughout the body. Glucose is the primary fuel that our cells use to produce energy, making it a vital component of our overall health and well-being. Glucose is a type of sugar. It is the most important source of energy for our cells and is essential for maintaining normal bodily functions. Without sufficient glucose, our bodies would struggle to perform even the most basic tasks. By consuming a diet rich in carbohydrates, we can ensure that our bodies have a steady supply of glucose to keep us energized and healthy. Our cells use glucose for energy. Once glucose enters our cells, it is used to produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. This energy is then used to power various cellular processes, from muscle contraction to brain function. By maintaining a balanced diet that includes adequate carbohydrates, we can support our cells' energy needs and ensure that our bodies function at their best. Chapter 2. Why carbs get a bad rap. Carbohydrates have gotten a bad reputation. Over the years, many diet trends and health experts have pointed fingers at carbs, blaming them for weight gain, diabetes, and other health issues. But is this reputation truly deserved? Let's dive deeper into why carbs have become the dietary villain in the eyes of many. This is partly due to the rise of processed foods. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often trumps nutrition, leading to an increased consumption of processed foods. These foods are typically loaded with refined carbohydrates, which are a far cry from the wholesome carbs found in nature. Processed foods often contain refined carbohydrates. These are carbs that have been stripped of their natural fiber, vitamins and minerals during the manufacturing process. What remains is a product that can quickly spike your blood sugar levels, providing a short burst of energy followed by a crash. Refined carbohydrates are stripped of their nutrients. For example, white bread, which is made from refined flour, lacks the fiber and nutrients found in whole wheat bread. This lack of fiber means that refined carbs are digested quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. White bread and sugary drinks are examples of refined carbohydrates. These foods are often high in calories but low in nutritional value, making them a poor choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Consuming these types of carbs regularly can lead to various health issues. Eating too many refined carbohydrates can lead to weight gain. When you consume these carbs, your body quickly converts them into glucose, which can be stored as fat if not used for energy. Over time, this can contribute to an increase in body weight and fat accumulation, particularly around the midsection. This is because they cause your blood sugar levels to spike. When your blood sugar spikes, your body releases insulin to help bring it back down. Frequent spikes and crashes can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. This can lead to cravings and overeating. When your blood sugar crashes after a spike, you may feel hungry again even if you've recently eaten. This can create a cycle of constant snacking and overeating, making it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. However, this doesn't mean all carbs are bad. In fact, complex carbohydrates found in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are essential for a balanced diet. These carbs provide sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients that support overall health. So, while it's wise to limit refined carbs, embracing whole, unprocessed carbs can be a key part of a healthy lifestyle. Chapter 3. A winning combination. Weight gain is not just about eating carbs, it's about consuming more calories than you burn. This means you can still lose weight while eating carbs. The key is to choose the right types of carbs. Fiber-rich carbohydrates are particularly beneficial for weight loss. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. This can help you eat less overall. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are good sources of fiber. Chapter 4. Smart carb choices for a healthy weight. Not all carbs are created equal. Choosing the right types of carbs is crucial for weight management. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates. These are digested slowly, providing sustained energy. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables into your diet. These are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Chapter 5. The importance of balance and moderation. The key to a healthy diet is balance and moderation. This includes carbohydrates and proteins. You don't need to eliminate carbs completely from your diet. Instead, focus on portion control and making healthier choices daily. Enjoy your favorite carb-rich foods in moderation. Balance them with lean protein, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. This will ensure you're getting a variety of essential nutrients. Chapter 6. Listen to your body and enjoy your food. Eating should be an enjoyable experience. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Don't restrict yourself unnecessarily. Instead, focus on nourishing your body with nutritious foods. When you eat, savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors and textures. This can help you feel more satisfied and prevent overeating. Remember, food is meant to be enjoyed. Chapter 7. Staying active for optimal health. While diet plays a crucial role in weight management, physical activity is equally important. Engage in regular exercise you enjoy. This could be brisk walking, swimming, dancing, or anything that gets you moving. Exercise helps you burn calories, build muscle, and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Chapter 8. Your journey to a healthier you. Changing your eating habits takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and focus on making gradual changes. Celebrate your successes along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. Listen to your body, make informed choices, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Thank you for taking the time to learn about carbohydrates and weight loss. We hope this essay has provided you with valuable insights. For more health and fitness tips, subscribe to our channel. Join our community of like-minded individuals on this exciting journey towards a healthier lifestyle. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching until the end. We hope to see you again in next video.